Hello, my name is Joy Dewar and welcome to Joy Dewar Food Simplicity and Vitality. The aim of this channel is to week by week plan meals with you. You can come on food shopping trips with me where we can make some very smart food decisions. You'll come back to the kitchen with me where we'll cook very tasty, quick, nutritional meals that's good for you and your bodies. As well as cooking nutritional meals for you and your family, we'll also bring in some lifestyle issues. So I will share my fitness program with you, and I'll also share some tips with you that I use to maintain my own well-being. If this sounds like the kind of content that you'll be interested, I invite you to press the subscription button and also hit the notification bell so that you will always know when I upload a video.